English for everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 4.
China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. America, American. South Africa, South African. Britain, UK, British. Spain, Spanish. Chile, Chilean. South Korea, South Korean. Argentina, Argentinian. Brazil, Brazilian. France, French. Greece, Greek.
These new mopeds are from Italy. These new mopeds are Italian.
These smartphones are from Japan. The new CEO is from Switzerland. These Indian dresses are excellent value. I'm Russian, but I regularly visit the US.
These monitors are from China. I'm on the European sales team. Our Chilean office is in Santiago. We sell leather shoes from Spain. My job is to watch the Asian markets. Book a trip to Mexico with us.
Canadian fashion designer K.P. Wang makes the most popular shoes of the year, yet again.
This monitor is made by an Indian company. It's great value for money.
Red is the new black with this dress, designed and made in France.
Our new tractor is built in an Asian factory. It's selling well all over the world.
The best way to make real coffee at home is to use one of these classic Italian coffee pots.
These African fabrics are so colorful. I just love them.
The printer does not work. The printer doesn't work. We do not sell many Swiss products. We don't sell many Swiss products. I am not French. I'm not French. He is not from the sales team. He's not from the sales team. He isn't from the sales team. They are not from the UK. They're not from the UK. They aren't from the UK. It is not a shoe factory. It's not a shoe factory. It isn't a shoe factory.
I'm not very busy today. These polo shirts aren't made in Vietnam. This restaurant doesn't use British meat. The onions in this market aren't local. I'm not Brazilian, but I work in Brazil. The company doesn't have overseas clients.
I'm George. I'm from the marketing department in New York. And this is Barbara. She's from Quick Style Printers.
I'm Nisha. I'm from finance.
End of Lesson 4.